Have you ever pondered over how something as simple as lighting conditions can influence your productivity at work? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of the Hawthorne experiments, a series of studies that fundamentally transformed our understanding of work dynamics. In the late 1920s, at the Western Electric Hawthorne Works in Chicago, a collection of studies began that would forever change the landscape of industrial and organizational psychology and management. Under the guidance of researchers like Elton Mayo and Fritz Roethlisberger, these experiments sought to examine the relationship between various factors and worker productivity. The journey began with the illumination studies. The primary objective: to understand the impact of lighting conditions on worker productivity. Researchers tweaked lighting levels, expecting to find a correlation between illumination and efficiency. However, the results were astonishing. It appeared that productivity improved, irrespective of whether the lighting was amped up or dimmed down. This unexpected outcome was the birth of the Hawthorne effect, the concept that the simple awareness of being observed and involved in an experiment can boost motivation and performance. From lighting, the focus shifted to the relay assembly test room studies. Here, a group of women assembling telephone relays became the subjects of the experiment. Changes in working conditions were introduced: rest breaks, working hours, payment systems. Yet productivity continued to rise. The conclusion was clear. Social and psychological factors such as group dynamics and supervision had a profound influence on worker behavior and productivity. Next came the bank wiring observation room studies. This time, the subjects were male workers in a bank wiring room. Once again, social interactions and group norms emerged as powerful influences, trumping formal rules and regulations in shaping work performance. The informal organization of the workers had a stronger impact on their behavior. Finally, researchers turned to interviewing and questionnaire studies. By probing into worker attitudes and perceptions, they discovered that opinions on work environment, job satisfaction, and relationships with supervisors and colleagues significantly colored their performance and job-related behaviors. The Hawthorne experiments shook the foundations of the then prevailing scientific management principles. These principles had a laser-like focus on task efficiency, often overlooking the social and psychological dimensions of work. The studies underscored the importance of human factors, group dynamics, and social context in comprehending and enhancing workplace productivity. The Hawthorne effect has since become a cornerstone concept in management and psychology. It serves as a constant reminder that people may alter their behavior when they know they are under observation. This has far-reaching implications for research, management, and organizational behavior. So the next time you find yourself in a well-lit office or a dimly lit workspace, remember, it's not just about the light, but also about the human touch that truly fuels productivity.